Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to border page. So you can go to search bar and you can type page border. You can click this option and will be show for the border and shading dialog box. Now to create border, you can click at this point and if you apply, the border will be applied into the page. You can edit again. I will go into page border and I will change for style. So you can scroll down and I will use this style to be changed, or you can click at this option and you also can set for the width, and this is for the color. You can like set into blue color. You done, so you can click OK. The border will be automatically changed. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to border page. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.